Tired of document chaos? Let's unlock the streamlined power of Google Docs in just 90 seconds. First, head to Google Docs either through your browser or the app to start a new document. Click the blank document icon, and just like that, you're ready to write. Now, let's format. The toolbar at the top is your best friend. Easily change fonts, adjust sizes, and use bold, italics, or underline to emphasize your text. Experiment and find your style. Need visuals? Click Insert then Image to upload from your computer, search the web, or grab one from your Google Drive. Position and resize to fit your needs. Collaboration is key. Click the blue Share button in the top right corner. Add email addresses of collaborators and choose their access level: viewer, commenter, or editor. Need feedback? Use the comment feature. Select text, right-click, and choose comment to leave suggestions or ask questions. Collaborators can reply directly, keeping everything organized. Accidentally deleted something? No problem. Go to File then Version History to see previous versions and restore if needed. Google Docs automatically saves your work, so you don't need to worry. Ready to share your masterpiece outside of Google Docs? Click File, then Download and choose your desired format, like Microsoft Word or PDF. Google Docs is accessible anywhere, anytime. Whether you're on your computer, tablet, or phone, your documents are always at your fingertips. And that's it. You've unlocked the core features of Google Docs. Now go create amazing, collaborative documents.